Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are fine and doing well. So today in ZamaSchool software, we will talk about how to create class, and also we will talk about how to do student entry. Like how to enter student data in ZamaSchool software. So when I want to enter student data in ZamaSchool software, the first step will be to create classes and then sections inside each class, and after that I will start student entry. So how to create classes in ZamaSchool software? Let's do a practice of it today. First of all, I will open Academics module, then click on Classes. As you can see, I have no classes. Each school have their own name for classes. When I click on Add New Class, then I will give name playgroup. You can give anything. Now also need to assign education level. For example, pre-primary. Next, for example, nursery. Education level, let's say pre-primary. Now as you can see, we have list of all the classes. Here we have edit option and also delete option. If class is created and you want to change the name of that class, then you can do it easily. Just click on edit button. Play group 2 or whatever name you want, just write it here. Also if you want to change education level, you can change it. Click on update class button, then class will be updated. If a mistake occurred during class creation and you want to delete it, so don't worry about that. You can do it easily, just click on delete button, it will be deleted successfully, as you can see. I hope that after watching this video tutorial, you will be able to create class, edit class, and also you can delete class in ZamaSchool software without any kind of issue. Still, if you have any confusion or issue, please feel free to contact us with my mobile number 0333 941 4361. WhatsApp and IMO is also available on this number. Also contact us with our PTCL number 0946 724 295. Thank you so much for watching this video.